In this video, I will be doing the reverse cat eye look. It's very easy and simple and fast. So if you want to know how to do it, keep on watching. As you can see, my makeup is already almost finished. I already put my foundation, powder, bronzer, I did the eyebrows and everything else. And only the eyes are missing. So today I will be doing the reverse cat eye look. So let's go straight into it. We're gonna start with the upper lid actually. I already prepped it. I put the concealer and the setting powder on my eyelid. And if you want to know why, watch my other video about makeup mistakes to learn more about it. But like I said, that's already done. We're gonna start with the upper lid and I'm gonna put this shimmery bronzer on my upper lid just to give it a little bit of shine and shimmer. But the main star of today will be the lower lid. So I'm going with the eyeshadow brush from Fenty Beauty, taking some of the bronzer on my brush and then just packing it onto my upper lid. It's not going to be very visible, but in real life you'll be able to see the sparkle and a little shine. It's nothing crazy. So this is really your choice. You can put there something else, another color. You can put matte. You don't have to put anything. But I like to put that shimmery color. So we're gonna move on to the star of today. For the lower lid, I'm gonna start with a black liner or eye pencil from L'Oreal. And I'm gonna just put in the description the name of it. You will start applying it on your waterline. So what you're gonna do is start with the waterline. You're gonna apply this pencil on your waterline all over. Go over it a few times so you can have really intense color. And then once you are satisfied with the effect, go a little bit underneath on your lower lid, but don't go too far with the eye pencil because afterwards we're gonna blend this out. So you just want to put a little bit. Once you apply your eye pencil, now I'm gonna take the smudger brush from Zoeva and I'm gonna just smudge it out, especially focusing on the lower lid. What you want to do is to blend the eye pencil nicely so you just don't have those lines. And then also just to fill up the places around your eyes and between your lower lid and your waterline, so there's no white places, spots in there. And then you will start going onto your outer corner. Of course, smudge it out a little bit lower than what you applied it, but of course not too low. Okay, now I'm gonna take this wing liner from Zoeva as well, and I'm gonna just focus on the outer corner and just pull up the line, kind of targeting the end of my eyebrow, going into that direction. And then depends how far you want to go with the wing. The wing liner now is not really black, so you can take another eyeliner to just make it darker. And I'm gonna use the one from Maybelline in the jar. Take it on my wing liner pencil, wing liner brush, and just follow the shape that we created. And what I like to do is to apply very shimmery or sometimes even a highlighter in the inner corner of my eyes. I'm just taking very shimmery eyeshadow and applying it in the inner corner. Then I'm gonna curl my lashes. Curling your lashes is just optional. Make sure that you squeeze it really hard, but only the hair and not your skin, not your eyelid. And at the end, I'm gonna go with mascara from L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Starting with the upper lid. And of course, don't forget the lower lashes. Yeah, for this look, you really don't want to forget the lower lashes. And then I'm gonna do the same on the other eye. So I'll be right back.